Do you know the story of Lamborghini? There is a revenge and inspirational story behind it. Ferruccio is an Italian manufacturing magnate who invented the company in 1963 to compete with Ferrari. When Ferruccio Lamborghini bought a brand new Ferrari, he considered it to be more a repurposed track car than a regular road car, as the Ferrari was too noisy and rough to handle. Lamborghini was fond of the Ferrari but was not completely satisfied with it, so he decided to make several suggestions to Enzo Ferrari, founder of Ferrari, including design changes that could help him to improve his luxurious Ferraris. Ferrari had a big brand name. Due to this pride, Enzo Ferrari's response to Lamborghini's suggestions was not positive at all, but insulted him also by commenting that the problem is not in the car, but in the driver who drives it. It is better to focus on your tractor business than paying attention to his cars. He took it as a revenge to show him the best sports car in the world. Subscribe for more information.